Welcome everybody to, I don't know what to call this video. I actually have no idea what to call it. So today's video is actually all 100% recorded on the IDOLCAM, the new gimbal, and I kind of wanted to actually test this out today, talk about it a little bit, my thoughts, my comparisons against DJI products, and I think this here, after using the camera for over a week, I think I got it figured out. I think I got the audio figured out, and I think I got the video part figured out. And it wasn't easy. It actually took quite a while because I was so used to DJI products and how they actually work, how they stabilize, how they sound, how to edit the video, the settings. Things are definitely different with this camera. This camera has a delay. A lot of times the buttons have a delay on them. When you hit record, it may take like 2 seconds or 3 seconds sometimes for the video to actually start, which is okay. Sometimes it'll start right away. Sometimes it waits 3 to 5 seconds. That's all fixable in a software update. But if you shoot in 1080p, you know, having that monitor up there and stuff, it seems to work pretty good. It actually looks pretty good. I don't know if I'm seeing it in 1080p. I'm sure that screen is 720p, but things actually look pretty good, and it looks fairly stable. It's not really bouncing around, and it stays on me nice and smooth. I'm really starting to kind of like this thing. The form factor itself, it's a little bit different, and takes a little bit more to set up than your regular DJI products. Where some DJI products, it's just put the power on, you're ready to go. This camera takes about 2 minutes, to set up. And I can deal with the 2 minutes when I'm not rushing, but sometimes you have to rush. There's something you want to capture really fast. You just want to be able to power it up and be able to record. This here, it's not so much. It takes a good 2 minutes at least to start setting things up. But it is stable. And with this onboard audio, I do need to get an external microphone. But the internal, it's actually, from what I've heard so far with the other videos I've shot, doesn't sound too bad. But like I've said in other videos, phone application needs to happen. It needs to happen. I would love to be able to control everything you know remotely using my phone. If I had, you can Wi-Fi your phone. I could put the camera up over here, and I could control it as I'm walking up and stuff like that, and have it follow me, or you know, if they put the follow me feature in, that would be great. But just being able to pause, play, or record, stop, that type of stuff would be very, very handy remotely. Not with a big drone controller, but just using your small mobile device. But is the camera worth it? Is it worth the cost? I think I've answered this in another video. It actually depends. It depends. If you're a geek, a nerd, and like new technology, yeah, jump all over this camera. Link in the description below. Jump all over it. If you're looking for something you know that's just going to work right off the bat, easy to use, stick with DJI at the moment. At least until the bugs get worked out of this camera. But if you don't mind the bugs, and you're looking for something new, something different, something that people are going to stop on the street and go, what is that he's using? I can't wait to use this at Disney or Universal. People are just going to stop and, what is that? Because this camera here is that stunning, and it looks so different. People they're going to stop you. It's going to happen. In past videos I did, the quality wasn't quite there, and that's just basically because there's a learning curve to this camera. And if you can get through the learning curve, you can do it. You could use this thing as a daily vlogging device. and it works pretty good. I like being able to see myself. I like being able to see if it's recording, seeing the audio levels, and it's really light. It's, for the size of it, you can't imagine how light this thing is. And watch the side of the buildings over here. Watch. The stability should be better than the GoPro and the DJI Osmo Action because this is mechanical. It's not digital stabilization. So there's no cropping. There should really be no up and down. Not too much anyway. Should look natural. Brick walls are the best for this type of stuff because of the lines in the concrete. You can actually see if it's bouncing around like crazy. Unwatchable. So here is my honest opinion of this camera. I like it. Would it be my first choice? I'm a DJI fanboy, so it would not be my first choice. But it's getting there. It's pretty amazing. Lots of accessories, lots of stuff on the website you can actually purchase. Different lenses, different cases. They even have a LED backpack I'm actually thinking about asking or requesting or sending off for. It looks really, really cool. An animated LED backpack. They're dipping their fingers in a little bit of everything, IDOLCAM, aren't you? Camera, pretty amazing. I'm not gonna lie. Has a lot of really cool features. I'm looking for other features though. Hopefully they do get implemented eventually. But at the moment, I could see myself using this as my almost daily driver. Almost. It's right there. It's right there. The competition is just a little bit ahead of you, IDOLCAM, but not much. Keep working at it, and hopefully this time in a couple months, or normally it's this time next year. I would say in a couple months, if you can pull this off, yeah, you got a winner on your hands because you're right there. This camera is right there, and the price is about right for the piece of equipment you're getting. So if anybody is thinking about getting this camera, like I said, link in the description below. I do make money if you purchase a camera from that link. But like I said, this is an honest review. I would probably go for the basic kit. I think you'll be happy because of the cost for the value of the stuff you're getting is right there. It's the price of the basic kit. And if you need other accessories, just go ahead and order them. Extra lenses, a must. Yeah, that's my honest opinion. It's a great camera, great potential, but only get it if only get the upper big case full of goodies if you're a tech geek and just want to go for it. If you're limited on money, stick with maybe an Osmo Pocket. You'll be happy either way. Until the next time, guys, this is my review, 1 week review after using the IDOLCAM from the company IDOLCAM. So from Metropolis, Illinois, home of Superman, I bid you all fair adieu. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace out, everybody.